Students, we are in the lesson speed, time and distance, and we are learning a very special aspects of speed, time and distance, that is relative speed. That is very interesting, isn't it? Yes, it is very interesting. Children, I will tell you relative speed means when the two moving objects going simultaneously, either they are going in the same direction or they are moving towards the opposite direction. So what will be their speed in fact? So it will have one speed comparing to both the speed. In case of same direction movement, it will be definitely speed will be retarded. It will be less because a moving object, to catch a moving object will be difficult. So your speed will be retarded, will be less. So it will be minus difference the speed of the two moving object. And then if it is moving towards the same direction, means always it will be you will have the advantage of speed. You will accelerate yourself because a moving object is approaching towards you and you are also approaching towards the moving object, therefore the speed will be accelerated. Remember that way. So it will be speed of both the moving object will be added based on this formula. And then how will you find out the time taken? When you meet when two moving objects are there, they are approaching each other, that time when you meet, what is the time required to move it? It will be both the moving object distance to be covered divided by the relative speed. It will be. Could you understand? If it is going towards opposite direction, also it will be the length of the means the distance to be covered divided by the relative speed. In that case, the speed will be subtracted. Okay, now let us do some more sums of exercise 6B. Question number 5, I have taken. Question number 5 said to you, a man is moving at the speed of 4 kilometer, walk at the speed of 4 kilometer per hour, and then a train is coming from behind him and at 22 kilometer per hour passes by him in 30 seconds. So a train is approaching, man is walking and then train is approaching. So the direction is what? They are going in the same direction, isn't it? So same direction, what will be the relative speed? The speed of the man, speed of the train minus the speed of the man, isn't it? That is will be the relative speed, fine. But as they are moving, the train is approaching, coming behind, that means it will be in the same direction. That you know. Then their meeting time was 30 seconds. The train crossed the man at 30 seconds. So meeting time also is given to you. You need to know the length of the train. Very nice. That means the distance covered. Distance you have to know. So in this case, the speed of the train is given to you 4 km per hour, and the speed of the train is given to you. And the man is given to you 4 km per hour, and the speed of the train is given to you 22 km per hour. And the relative speed will be 22 minus 4 km per hour because the train is coming behind the man. So they are moving in the same direction. As both of them are walking in the same direction, relative speed will be 22 km per hour minus 4 km per hour, which is equal to 18 km per hour. 18 km per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second is equal to 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second is the relative speed. Now the time taken is 30 seconds, that is given to you. Then the distance covered definitely will be speed into time. Relative speed into time. That will be the distance covered, that will be 5 into 30, which is equal to 150 meters. So distance covered is the length of the train itself, because the man will not have any length. Man doesn't have a length. Man doesn't have a distance to cover. No, they don't have the length. So the length of the train only will become 30 into 5 is equal to 150 meter, because the sum of the length of two moving object is the length of the train. That we have write down. The sum of the two moving object, in this case man and train, will be the length of the train only. Therefore length of the train will be 150 meter. That's a very interesting sum. I hope you have understood. I will take another sum. Question number 7 I have taken. Question number 7 said to you, policeman. Now, very good, very good. In relative speed, yes, police chasing a thief will be the perfect example. So, a police follows a thief who is 800 meter of him, 800 meter ahead of him. So, 800 meter ahead, a thief is moving, and then police is chasing the thief, then if they run, the speed of the police is 8 km per hour and the speed of the thief is 7 km per hour. Definitely the speed of the police, you have seen the fast video, the speed of the police has to be more than the speed of the thief, then only they can catch it, otherwise they will not be able to meet and they cannot catch. If the speed of the thief is more, then he will run away, police will not be able to catch. If they are having the same speed, then they will maintain the same distance. So speed of the police has to be more. In this case more, but how much more? The speed of the policeman is 8 km per hour and speed of the man is 7 km per hour. Therefore, as they are moving in the same direction they are moving, chasing in the same direction. So it will be 7 minus 8 minus 7 is 1 km per hour. 1 km per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Do you agree with me? Yes, it is. Now, distance to be covered is given to you 800 meter. Therefore, the time required to catch the thief by the police will be distance divided by the relative speed 800 divided by 518, which is equal to 800 into 18 by 5. If you solve it, 5 will be cancelling 800, 516 by 18, 160 into 18, 160 into 18 will become 2880. 2880 second it will take to catch the police, the thief. So 288 second divided by 60, so that will become 48 minutes. This will be cancelling and 6 can cancel this, it will become 48. So 48 minutes, within the 48, after 48 minutes only, police will be able to catch the thief. I hope you have understood it. Now I have taken question number 9, another very important sum. It is said to you that is, speed of the boat when the stream is there, upstream and downstream concept. That's very, very interesting. I'll read out the question first. A boat travels at 8 km per hour upstream and 14 km per hour downstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream also. So you have to find out the speed of the boat and the stream when the upstream speed and downstream speed given to you. I have said you in the first video that how will you find out if the speed of the boat in the still water is x km per hour and the speed of the stream is y km per hour. For upstream means you have to go against the stream. Therefore, definitely your speed will be retarded, it will be less. So it will be minus x minus y km per hour. And the downstream you will be held with the speed of the stream. Therefore, it will be added. So what we need to do? Let the speed of the boat in the still water be x km per hour and the speed of the stream be y km per hour, x and y km. Therefore, speed of the boat upstream will be definitely will be less because you are going against me, x minus y km per hour, and downstream will be x plus y km per hour. That much you know. Now given to you is what? X minus 1 is 8 km per hour, x plus 1 is 14 km per hour. Didn't it? It is given to you because downstream is given to you 8 km per hour. Upstream is given to you 8 km per hour, downstream is given to 14 km per hour. That is why x plus y will be 14 km per hour, x minus will be 8 km per hour. See, I have made this one equation 1, equation 2. Now learn little bit algebra. Simultaneous linear equation, like two equations together, how do you solve it? See, this is x plus y, and this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Add these two. If you are adding these two, what will happen? This one having x plus x plus x plus x, 2x, and minus 1 plus y will be cancelled. So 2x is equal to, if you add these two, it will become 8 plus 14 is equal to 22. So 2x is equal to 22. Adding this thing, so x is equal to 22 divided by 2, that is 11. X is equal to 11. X is what? Speed of the boat. Therefore, speed of the boat in the still water will be 11 km per hour. That is answer 1. That one is answer 1. You got it? Both the equation you have added, you have found 2x is equal to 22, x is equal to 11. Now, putting this 11 value in equation 1, you put that 11 value in equation 1. X is 11. 11 minus y is equal to 18. 11 minus y is equal to 18. Minus y is equal to 8 minus 11. So minus y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 3. That is very simple. You can understand. Therefore, speed of the stream will be 3 km per hour. Things are very interesting. I will do the last sum in the next video.